Okay, guys, I got a bonus video. So now that we're going to get into fractions a little bit more, I want to kind of go over a couple of key things. And one of them is greatest common factor, or the GCF, and the least common multiple, LCM. And my target is I can find the greatest common factor when reducing fractions and the least common multiple when find the common denominator. In the past, what we've been doing is just multiplying the two denominators and using that as our denominator. But that's going to get kind of difficult as our fractions get bigger. So one thing we're going to do with greatest common factors, we're going to use a prime factorization tree. Okay. Now remember, prime numbers it's a number with only two factors, one and that number. So something like 7. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. The factors of 23 are 1 and 23. Those are prime numbers, okay? So what we're going to do is look at this first one. We're going to do find the greatest common, and we want to do like find common greatest common factor when we're reducing. So when it says to reduce or simplify a fraction, okay, in simplest terms. This goes back to your multiplication facts. So if I said to you, 15 and 24. So what I'm going to do, and my goal is to get all prime numbers at the end. So I got 15. So give me two factors of 15. Well, 3 and 5. So those are both prime because there's nothing times nothing. I mean, 1 times 3 is the only thing that gives you 3, and 1 times 5. So I'm going to circle them. And the factors of 24, it can be anything. So let's go 2 and 12. Now 2 is prime. 2 is the only even number that's prime. Okay. Now 12 is not prime. Okay, because it can be broken down. I can do 3 and 4. Now 3 is prime. 4 is not. 2 and 2. So for 15, the factors are 3 and 5. The factors of 24 are, or the prime factors are 2, 2, 2, because I got 3 2s and a 3. So when I'm trying to find the greatest common factor, I want to find a factor that's here and here. And the only one is 3. So the greatest common factor of 15 and 24 is 3. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's do, I don't know. Let's do 18 and 24. Did I do 18? No, we just did 24. So let's do something else. Let's do 20 and 32. So 20, it can be, let's do 5 and 4. And whatever factors you choose here, it's not going to make, because it's all going to come out the same. So that's 2 and 2. So prime, prime, prime. So, and then 32, I could do 4 and 8. 4 is definitely, so it's 2 and 2. And then 8 is 2 and 4, and then 2 more. So now I got to look at it. What are my, so I got 20 and I have 32. So I have 2, 2, and 5. Okay. Here I have 2, 2, 2. I have 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you're going to say, oh, my greatest common factor is 2. It's not actually. How many 2's do I have in common here? I have 2 here. That means and I have 2 here. Yes, I have 3 more, but I don't have 3 more up there. So what is 2 times 2? Well, it's 4. So the greatest common factor of 20 and 32 is 4. Okay? Again, the more you know your multiplication facts, the better this is. Now this is called the least common multiple. Or the LCM. And we use this to find the common denominator when we're adding and subtracting fractions. Okay? So basically, there's different ways you can do this. I look at it this way. I think in multiples, there's many of them. Because it's just like skip counting. It's never ending. And I want to find the smallest. Okay? So if I said to you, the least common multiple of 4 and 5. Well, this is what I do. I do 4 and I do 5. And that's just my multiples. I can go 4, 8, 16, 20. I can go 5, 10, 15. I don't have anything yet. Go one more. 20. So my factor is 20. So that would be my denominator. If I went with 6 and 18, 6, I might go with the smaller one first because there's no sense of going 18, 36, etc., etc. 6, 12, 18. And I know the first multiple of 18 is 18. So that would be my denominator. And that's how we make equivalent fractions. If I had 6 and, we just did 6. Let's try, let's say 9 and 4. So we could do 9. Well, let's do 4, 8, 12, nothing. 16, nope. 20, nope. 24, nope. 28, 32, 36. So there it is, because it's 9, 18, 27, 36. Sometimes you can multiply, but if you don't get the least common multiple, you're going to have to reduce later on. So you can do it now or do it later. It's up to you. All right, that's my quick video. Bye.